Hi, thanks for joining me again. It's Chris Hart, author of many books on drawing. Today I'd like to demonstrate a concept that you may have heard about but not have seen how it actually works. It's an animation concept. It's called squash and stretch. And what it means is there are certain expressions that you squash the character and certain expressions that you stretch the character because it makes those expressions really work and look good. And it's not tough to do. Let's start. And I will start again with my trusty rough colored pencil. And then we'll do it over again. I'll just trace it over in black and you'll see it nice and bold. So I'm going to do a bear. And because it's squash and stretch, I'm actually going to start right in. Because squashing and stretching can really just destroy the original construction. So I'm just going to do this stretched version from the beginning. So I'm going to give his back, he's going to be, oh my God, he's going to say, oh my God, he's a surprise bear. So he stretches, and you'll see how that works. So here's his ear, and again, it's like everything stretches. It's going straight up rather than back. I'll do the same with this ear. And I'm doing it rough, and then we'll finish. Stretch the mouth back. Like that. Nose up and big eye, because the eye too is stretching. It shortens the muzzle because as it stretches up, the muzzle can't stay long, it's got to come back. Actually, he doesn't need to come out like that. Yeah, I'll bring this back. Change him up as you go along. Okay, this is going to be fun. And it's so easy that this is going to be a quick tutorial, but it'll be useful to you. And I think you'll really enjoy using it in your work. It makes things so cartoony and fun. This can also be done for a happy look, which is usually the squash. Everything stretches. Look how high this is off the head. Stretch this nice curve. Curves here, curves right in here, rather than a straight line. Everything is curving me because it's got to look rubbery to do this. Isn't that cute? All the way down like that. And a little indication of his back jaw. Let's get that ear going. And this one will face the other direction to make it look a little chaotic. Now the hair too, that's on end. I can't resist. Let us find a marker to color in that nose. God, I'm incorrigible that way. All right, there you go. So there is your squash and stretch character. I hope you enjoyed that. If you like it, let me know if you want me to do a squash one, because that's the stretch one. If you want a squash one, let me know. Leave a comment. I hope you subscribe. New videos every week. See you next time. Bye-bye.